The printer has a built-in paper input slot for single-page printing, but for continuous printing, you can use the foldable paper feed tray. Our paper feeder is foldable and compact. On the bottom, there's our 4 foot pads to prevent the device move easily. There's a USB-C port. But please note that the paper feeder tray does not contain an internal battery. You can power it in 2 ways. Connect via USB. Or ensure the printer has sufficient power to supply the paper feeder tray. These small contact points are used to connect the printer. Make sure the contact points on the printer align exactly above the paper feeder contacts when placing. To use it, unfold the support legs. Then extend the tray. Push these 2 small parts upward, then it's set up. You can load up to 20 sheets of paper into the tray. Place the paper in, and then we can start the continuous print job. Let's give it a try. With the paper feeder working seamlessly, you can enjoy continuous printing with minimal interruptions.